Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Smart App Control blocked an app that may be unsafe message in Windows. First, you can try unblocking the file. Go to the location where you downloaded the program. Find the setup file, usually ending in .exe or MSI. Right-click on it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, stay on the General tab. Scroll down and look for a message under Security that says the file came from another computer and might be blocked. If you see an option called Unblock, tick the box next to it. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. After that, try running the file again. If you do not see the Unblock option or the app is still blocked, you will need to temporarily disable Smart App Control. Open the Windows Start menu, search for Windows Security, and open it. From there, click App and Browser Control. Scroll until you find Smart App Control Settings. Open it and select Off. Confirm the action by choosing Yes, I'm sure. Once this is done, try installing your application again. It should now run without being blocked. Remember that Smart App Control is an important security feature that helps protect your computer from harmful software. It is a good idea to turn it back on after you finish installing your app so your system stays protected. If the on button is grayed out and you cannot switch it back on, you will need to enable it through the registry editor instead of settings. Thanks for watching.